So let us start with nodemcu. This is the last topic of nodemcu, and in this topic we will learn on how to install nodemcu in your system. So to install nodemcu at your system, you need to first have the Arduino IDE software. If you have the Arduino IDE with you, then it's well and good. If you don't have it, then go to the article section. There's the link to download the Arduino IDE software. So you just download it from there. The second step after the Arduino IDE is to open the Arduino IDE software. After opening Arduino IDE, there is a link in the article section. You need to just copy the link and paste it in the preference part. But before doing that, just connect your system to the internet. So we'll just proceed it practically how to install nodemcu. So guys, here we started practically. So we will open the Arduino IDE software. Before that, we are over here connected with internet. There is an internet access over here, you can see it. After opening it, we have a link there in the description named nodemcu link. We will copy that nodemcu link, go to the file section and move to the preferences. Click on the preference. You will find a dialog box opening like this. Just paste your link over here. I have already pasted it, so it's just showing it. You might have a blank box over here. You need to paste your link over here and just press OK. As soon as you press OK, the link will get uploaded. After doing this, go to Tools, go to Board, and then go to Board Manager. Click on the Board Manager. Wait for a few seconds. It will get downloaded. As soon as it gets downloaded, you will find a box over here. You need to write in the box ESP8266. As soon as you write on the box ESP8266, there is a module or package named ESP8266 by ESP8266 community. Over here you can see nodemcu is a board which operates at this library. So we will just install the latest version of this library and press install. It will take a certain time to get installed. You need to just sit back and relax until and unless it gets installed. Now you will see that it is getting installing in the boards. As soon as this process ends, then we can have the nodemcu board in the board manager part. So let us wait until and unless this process ends. So here you can see that the procedure is finished, and we can find over here that the version is installed already. So after this, you close this. Press on close and go to the tools, go to the board, and you will find at the below that we have a board named nodemcu. There are two boards. Select nodemcu 1.0. After selecting, you will find in the lower right part that the board is updated nodemcu 1.0. After this, we will have one or two more settings, like go to the tools and go to the upload speed. This is the speed at which the board will be uploaded. Select the maximum speed so that it will be uploaded very fast. Actually, nodemcu is a board which takes a lot of uploading time. So if you put the speed at the maximum point, then the uploading speed will be very fast. So guys, after selecting the board and installing nodemcu after selecting the board, we will go to the tools and see if the port is visible after plugging in the nodemcu. After plugging in the nodemcu, we don't find the port over here highlighted, then we need to do one thing. We need to just install CH34 software for whichever operating system you are using. So the link for the CH34 for downloading CH34 software is there in the articles part. You just go to the articles section and download CH34 library, CH34 software. But remember, whenever you install CH34 software, your nodemcu board should be plugged in at your system. If it is not plugged in, then it will be telling either already installed or either not installed. So please be careful for this.